Hi guys, Mr. Holding here, and again I've got Mr. Jarrett with me. We're going through obviously how techniques in titration, how to do things. So we've done how to wash things, we've worked out how to use our barrette. Today we're going to look at how to use the pipette correctly and how to use that to transfer for a specific amount of liquid into our conical flask. So Mr. Jarrett, could you, how do we do this? How do we do it accurately?
Right, well, we use a pipette filler, and what happens is that this bulb allows us to create a vacuum.
Mm-hmm.
So you've got three letters, empty, probably suck, and A for air. So what we do is, very carefully, put that on the end, but just enough so it grips. What we do is we evacuate by squeezing the valve A and the bulb, and so now we've got a vacuum. And we're going to squeeze this valve here, S, and that's going to allow it to draw the liquid up this way.
Mm-hmm.
So we evacuate it. Now when you do that, get it up to eye level because you want to read the meniscus horizontally. So we're going to draw the liquid up into the pipette. And when you draw it up, it's okay. What we do is we overshoot, go beyond the zero, because then we squeeze the side arm and bring it back down. If it goes too far, it doesn't matter because you're getting a feel for this piece of equipment. And then we just draw it up again. I always overshoot, and then I bring it back down. Okay, so we've got the meniscus sitting on zero, and I'm going to transfer that to the flask. So I quickly put that into the flask and then squeeze the side arm. Now, the longer you leave, the more time you leave between lifting it out of the liquid and this, it starts to suck, it can suck bubbles up. So you want to quickly have it ready. Now we let it run in, and the last little bit is drawn out, so I always get it to touch the edge of the glass, count to 3.
Because that draws the fluid out, doesn't it?
That's right. Mm-hmm. And there's always a tiny amount left in there, and that's part of the design.
Okay.
So now we've transferred 10 mils of acid accurately to the conical flask.
So I've learnt recently as well that there are sometimes two different types of pipettes, and you've got to be careful because of that. So
Yes.
One of them, and the one we hope that we use, and I'll try and show you this here, you can see has a 9 there, and the 10th mil is the end bit there. Where we got caught out is there's another one where the 10 mil stops there, and then there's the excess bit there. So in this type, you only empty to where it says 10. Is that right?
That's correct, yes.
And whereas the one that has the 9 as the last number, you actually empty the whole lot out.
That's right. And the 9 is the more common one.
So yeah, the 9's the more common one. It's just something, yeah, this was difficult that we got caught out with. So it's important that if you do have something like that, you just pay attention to those so don't get caught out. If the 9, fantastic, you empty the whole lot out. If it has a 10 on it, you stop at the 10 because that's where the 10 mils is. All right, well, we hope you found this helpful, how to use a pipette properly. Hope you enjoyed the video.